Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some projects to share with you that I made with some of the dies and stamps from the January release from Scrap Diva Designs. I will show you all of the dies that I use, some papers. I'll take some measurements. If you have any questions, please let me know. All of the dies and stamps will be linked down below, as well as my referral link. If you click on that and place an order at scrapdivadesigns.com, I get a commission from the sale, which doesn't affect your cost, but it does help me out a lot. So thank you guys so much to everybody who uses that. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to use my coupon code at checkout, Strawberry Cream, and you'll save 10% off your order over there. So these are going to be all tag related projects. I thought it'd be fun to have a theme. And they're Valentine related too. Some of them are, you don't have to use for Valentine's Day. But yeah, really cute stuff. So let's get started. All right, the first die set that I used was this one. This is the gift card pocket. And I apologize, when I did my haul from these, from this release, I didn't realize that there was so much more in the package than this. I thought it was just this part really with the space to put in a gift card, but it comes with this whole pocket set. So I should have looked at this before I showed it. Anyway, this is the main part of what it comes with. This makes this beautiful pocket that has a window in it. And then you can include this part inside to hold your gift card. And it also comes with a die to cut out the, like if you're making it a window, you could cut out your acetate with this. And it comes with a sentiment that says, "Be beautiful." And this is a little, like a layering piece for the hole for the pocket. So easy to put together. There's stitching detail. This is the front. It's got the glue tabs that you just fold over and go around to the back of your pocket. So let me show you the first one that I made. And this one I used, let me show you the papers I used. I used this paper pad from Miss Kate Designs. This is the January subscription box paper. This is called Warm Winter Wishes. So I used this in some of my projects, and then in the other ones I used the new Scrap Diva Designs Love Struck 24 sheet paper pad, which I will link down below too, since that is a new release. Okay, so here is the first pocket I made, gift card pocket. And isn't this so cute? It's got my little friend Pusheen on there. This actually I got from packaging, and I just fussy cut it and put it on here just because, I love Pusheen. But I love this gift card pocket. It is so cute. It looks like a little ID pocket, so you could use it for that too. But anyway, this is where the sentiment "Be beautiful," that's what it looks like. It comes with the die set, and it's so pretty. I love how the U is bigger and a little bit different. I mean, I guess they're all the same font, but it looks a little bit different. And so I put that on the front of the pocket, fits perfectly. You could see all the nice stitching detail around it, and I did add some acetate under it so you could see, underneath. This is the back of it, and I did use the layering piece for the hole just to make it a little bit more secure. And aren't those heart stickers so pretty? Those are the new ones I recently hauled from Hobby Lobby. These are in the Valentine section, and I told you guys I love this red color. It's got that pink shimmer to it, so I thought it would look perfect on this project because of the pink on Pusheen, and I just think it looks great. So these papers, they're in a winter theme in the paper pad, but it just looks like a pretty pink and aqua there. So I tied some ribbon through the top, but you could just untie that. And as you can see, it's a pocket. So let's take out the insert. So this is the insert that is the front piece of the die package. And you could put a gift card in here. I just put my business card because I like the way it looked with the colors, but a gift card fits in here perfectly. The die cuts out these like oval slits, so you just slide a gift card in here and it's perfect. So what a fun way to present a gift card, right? So that's what that looks like. Let me just measure the insert for you while I have it out. It is about a little over 4 inches, 4 1/8, and then side to side it's about 3 inches. So the pocket itself is 4 3/4 approximately by 3 1/4. So it just, comes together really easily, and you can do it in any theme you want. I thought this would be nice to put like an Ulta gift card or something, something where you can treat yourself or, buy something, some self-care items. So beautiful. That's what I thought of that for. It'd be good for birthdays or for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, whatever you want. So that's the first one I made. And then I made another one too. This one I made with another die set that I'm going to show you. Let me just move this over so I could show you that. Okay, well, 2 actually. I made it with the word hugs, and that comes from Valentine Words number 4. Okay, sorry. These, I love the font of these. There's hugs, which I use. There's also B. This is party, love, and thanks. So beautiful words you can use for other occasions besides Valentine's Day. But I also use this set, and this is called the Heart Suitcase tags. So it comes with 2 different sizes, a smaller one and a larger one. I'll just leave them in the package because you could pretty much see everything. Each one, the smaller one, the larger one, has 2 layering pieces. There's a heart, a stitched heart that goes right on top, and then there's this frame of, it's like a eyelet scalloped heart. It's actually not a frame. It cuts out a whole heart, but it fits behind the stitched heart. So I'll show you some examples of that. And yeah, let's get on to the next gift card pocket. So this is the other one I made, and this one is a little more wintry themed. And I did use, again, those Miss Kate papers. Let me just slide this down. Oh, it goes like that. Okay. So this is the suitcase tag, and I just think it's so pretty, right? I used the stitch layer. I didn't use the scallop layer. If you use the scallop layer, you have to put that on after you put it through the hole because the scallop part does not fit through this hole. So I figured I would just leave it off. But this is how it works. You just, fold it over and slide it out like that. So it's like a suitcase tag. And this one, I added some ephemera from that Miss Kate collection because that collection does come with ephemera. I popped a little bit up. I'm just going to take it off. I popped it a little bit up with some foam tape and added some stickles, and it's just so cute. You can use that for something else. So this is the gift card tag. There's the word hugs. Let's measure that for you, give you an idea of how big these sentiments are. This one is about 2.5 inches, and height-wise, it's from the tallest to the lowest part, it's about 1 1/4 inches. And I didn't use this shadow piece for that because I wanted you to be able to see the background of the gift card holder. So I just doubled it up and offset it a little bit just to, give it a little bit of depth. This is more ephemera from Miss Kate, and I just love this picture or this paper back here that I used for the insert. It's those cute little skiers, so I didn't add a gift card in there yet just so you could see the background. And then this acetate I used, it's got like snow on it. I got that at HSN. I think over the summer it was on clearance. You could see it a little bit better like that. And here's that insert. I used another layering piece for the hole, and for the back I used some ephemera from the collection as well. I thought this would be good for like a Dunkin' Donuts gift card or something, warming in the winter. So that's my next one. I love both of these that I made. Again, like I said, you can make them in different themes, and perfect for presenting gifts. Sometimes, when you're giving a gift card, you want to make it a little more personal and add, your own touch with the handmade box or envelope. So that's what I did for that. Oh, let me measure this. This is the smaller tag, by the way. This one from top to bottom measures about 6.5 inches, and the heart is about 2 inches deep by 1 3/4. So really cute. Of course, you could use those hearts for something else, which I did. I'll show you that too. Let me show you the next heart suitcase tag I made. So I made one out of faux leather from Hobby Lobby just to make it a little bit more sturdy, a little bit more usable. You could use this on like a suitcase if you wanted to. So this is a faux leather, which makes it really nice and pliable. I used a little like puffy heart. I just found like loose in my Valentine bin. I don't even know where I got it. It's actually a sticker. And then I added a gold heart sticker on top of that, and that I got from Target in the dollar spot a few years ago. I added a little white bow from Hobby Lobby and then a gold gem, And then on the back, I added one of the layering pieces. This is the bigger suitcase tag, by the way. I cut out a heart from this buffalo check paper and put it on the back. And then I did cover the back of this because I didn't really like how the back of the faux leather looked. It looked just unfinished. It's kind of like a not very attractive, kind of like white felt look. So I ran this through my die cutting machine. This is floral ribbon from Dollar Tree. It has a shiny side and a matte side. It's really nice and thin. So I did that and then just covered the back of it, and it's pliable, so it doesn't look bad when you fold it. And let me show you how to close this one. Since it is faux leather, this hole is a little bit more flexible, so you can put more dimensional things like these puffy stickers through the hole, I think. Gosh, I hope so. All right, I think I'll do it this way and pull it through gently. Yeah. Okay, so it would look like that. So that way you could see that floral ribbon in the background and it looks nice and finished. And I really like how this one came out. So this heart measures about 2 1/8, about maybe 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. And then let's see the height. Okay, let's go back the other way. Ta-da. Okay, so the height of this one is about 7 1/2. So you get both of them in the set, so you don't have to decide what size you want, but it does come with both. And then I decided to make some projects with the scallop part. And I also used this new stamp set. I love this stamp set. If you guys got the Christmas theme one that looks like this, you're gonna love the Valentine one. It works just as beautifully. It's so nicely detailed. The fonts are gorgeous. This is called the Valentine Stamp 2025. It comes with Whisked with Love, You Hold the Key to My Heart, Will You Be My Valentine, Always and Forever, Stealing Hearts Like Cupid, Love is Sweet Like Cupcakes, and Little Miss Heartbreaker. And they all have their own little touch of hearts and flourishes and things like that. So I used 2 of them in these projects. And I did some heat embossing too. All right, so I cut out the eyelet part with just basic white paper. And then for the inset for the stitched heart, that comes from the die set as well. So you can see how they layer. And then aren't those stamps so pretty? Love is Sweet Like Cupcakes and Whisked with Love. I used platinum embossing powder from Ranger for both of these. And as you can see, the details show up really beautifully. You know, these are my first try with each of these stamps, and they just came out really, really nicely. What a pleasure to use. So if you haven't tried photopolymer stamps yet and you're kind of frustrated with stamping and your stamps never look good, try photopolymer. It really makes a difference. So those are those 2 projects. I'll just measure these quickly. These are the bigger hearts. I felt like the stamps fit better in those. So these are, the eyelet part is 2 3/4 by about almost 2 1/2. So these are great for embellishments, you know, just to show you don't have to make it a tag. You could just make little embellishments with these. So that's that one. So the next project I used this die set, and this is the Valentine word tags, very similar to the Halloween one that Erica came out with, which was just as cute. So this one comes with 2 tags that you could either layer or not, use them separately. One of them has a heart cut out, the other one doesn't. So if you want the heart to, you know, to be an open heart, you don't need to use this for the back, but I like to use this for the back to have another color show through on that heart. And then it comes with the words or sentiments: be mine, friend, love, Cupid, kisses, and hugs. So I did make one for every different tag, and I did use this paper pad for this project. This is the new Love Struck collection from Scrap Diva Designs. I went through these papers in another video, but it comes with so many pretty designs. Love the aquas and pinks and reds and blacks. It's just such a nice modern collection and perfect for Valentine's Day. So let me show you the tags that I made, and they're each like a tag with a little charm or embellishment on them. So this is the first one, and I just love how it came out. I used the glossy paper from scrapbook.com that just came out recently. This comes from the I think it's called the Rainbow pack. There's rainbow and pastel. So I did that, and then I also cut it out of 2mm foam just to give it some dimension. And each tag that I made, I did double it up. This one I put, you know, just different paper from the collection. You don't have to, but I like to do that because these dies are symmetrical, so you can face two wrong sides together, so you have a right side on the back and on the front. I just like how that looks, and also it's sturdier if you use two of them. So that's what I did. I used a sticker from Hobby Lobby just to embellish it, and then I added a jump ring, this cute little clip that I had, and then I had this heart jump ring too, and I made my own little charm out of a cute little gummy bear cabochon and a bale. So that's the first one, love. Oh, let me measure this and then I'll show you the others. So the tag itself is about a little bit over 3 inches long, and then it is about 1 inch wide. And then the word love is 1 3/4 inches long and about, depending on the letter, it's about 3/4 of an inch high. And this one, you can see I did not use the tag that cuts out the little heart, but I did do that for some of them, which I'll show you. Let me just move this over a little so I can put them down. Okay, so that one's love. This one is kisses, done the same exact way, just different colors, different papers. And that's the back of that one, the cute little gnomies. And this will be fun to just add on to a gift. You can put it on a little journal you're making, your bag, your keychain, whatever. I think it's just a fun little gift. And the next one is friend. This one I did do the heart cutout, but I backed it with the paper that's black on the inside, and this is the back of that paper. And this is the little charm that I made. This comes from a new Hobby Lobby flat backpack, which is this one. So I just added a bale onto that. And yeah, it looks so cute, right? I love that striped paper. That was perfect for this project, I thought. And then the next one is Cupid. And this one, I added a gummy bear again. Same kind of deal with the heart cutout. And that's the back of that one. These are all Scrap Diva Designs papers. This one I used some aqua foam. I just like the way that looked with the white glossy paper. And then I think this paper, the one for friend, comes from the pastel pack. These come from the rainbow one. I think they all do. And then the last one is Be Mine, and that's the other side of that one. And then I added, this is one of those new hearts from that Hobby Lobby collection that I used, or the Hobby Lobby pack that I used for this project. This is just one of the white ones. I added a bale on the back, and it's just a cute little tag. It's lightweight, so, you know, just fun to put onto a gift, I thought, Valentine's basket, whatever you want to do. So those are all of my projects for today. I will link all of these dies and stamps down below, in addition to the Love Struck paper pad, which I used. I really recommend it. It's so pretty, such great patterns, and there's lots of ephemera and stickers and things to go with that too. There's vellum even, so make sure you check out the whole collection at Scrap Diva Designs. And yeah, so that is it for today, you guys. Let me know which one you like the best. I would love to know. I'm so curious. And I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget my referral link if you want to make a purchase. I'd really appreciate it if you go through that. And save yourself 10% using the code Strawberry Cream at scrapdivadesigns.com. All right, you guys, I'll be back soon. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.